Chapter 5 Research Etc. Baba returned with the Chand Patel wedding party. Welcomed to not dress as the contact with others and his recent routine. The story of Patik's wrestling bout with Mohammedan chains and like turning water and oil. A pseudo guru Zawar Ali returned with the Chandish Patel wedding party as entered and last generation discussed Sai Baba returned to study after his disappearance. They returned of Aurangabad district and Assam state and the village Sadhu as well as to the Mohammedan gentleman. Chand Patel, while he was making a trip to Aurangabad, he has lost temper. For 2 months, Naiman and Digital and Silver gonna trace of lost Nair. Being determined to return to Aurangabad, the settlement back after traveling 4.5 kilos. He came to Mangalore Fort with Zata Ratana. He carried a cap, a reserve, or a kafni, and had a saki under his armpit. He was breaking this from Chimney, seeing the Chinese battle passing. He called out to him and asked him to have a smoke arrangement. The care fellow Arsenal Sadil Chan Patel replied to us Mayor and the Fakir asked him to make such a Nana close Bakir but wonders on Mayor Patel those Bakir was out but again returned to the Fakir with the man the chai and the chimney was ready for smoke but two things were missing far too late and the pile the water to with the chai. The piece of close smoke is up. The Fakir to was a prolonged trust is costly into ground out from the pool which put up a park. He had the Sakta and ground would become too loose. The chappy was then wet with water around the pipes, so thus everything complete. The fakir mother in case make to Chan Patel, seeing the Chan around us, like the first fakir to come help. Accept the hospital the next day fakir and to Chan Patel of the state, and therefore Patel was play. Luke on his wife brother sons was to be married. Bryce later Shirdi so Patel made a preparation for marriage. Bakira come in the marriage party. The continuously getting rid of Roop, but the fakir and remain Shirdi and remain forever. How Fakir got names even marriage party completely told that on the photo banyan tree. However, feeling connected with the members of the party restaurant one by one figure. Prathma saw the young Fakir was the own work was named Ya Sai Welcome Sai. Father of Sai hence became Sai Baba. Contact with the Bhaksins. Sai Baba began to stay in Masjid the same name they was living the study for many years before Sai Baba and the Baba like his company. Sometimes stay in the Maruti temple, sometimes Chavadi, although sometimes Baba close choose to be alone. Another sensor in the study named the Janavada, so Baba spent the time talking. Sometimes later, Visha household as Saint Gangadhan came to visit from time to time. The first Sai Baba carrying the pictures of water in both hands, ring water is to open. Bless this study, and this is a precept of the mankind water today. He will not ordinary flow, as this land is raised like interest to keep this well. Still another famous trend and men without early know the disciples of Amara came to study when he saw the Sai Baba first openly. Indirectly, this is precious diamond. Though he looks like an ordinary man, he is not ordinary but a diamond. He will release in the near future saying this year 20 Evo. All this was saying sir. Baba dress and daily routine. In his Sai Baba grows hair on his head in our his achieved his dressed like athlete. He was in a Ratna. He bought with a small punches into his eye. He cleaning this clothing, drying pant, watering, devoting him Muhammad al daily and pictures with the Baba himself to work and then to all well and carried out pictures following the evening pictures of married. Raw earth, not break over the places, name tree, but just immediately broken. Then the next day, the tools which pictures in the schools went on 3 years ago to labor. Floor going on the side was a big mansion, Samadhi of Mande, which is now frequently used by many devotees. The stories of Padukas under the name tree, impression of open saints with the devotee of Adantara Maharaj named by Krishna Ali Bagar worshipped the fort of Padakur, taking dर्शन्स of the Padukas of the Maharaj and offering the sense of Vitali when deserted to Padakur. But before he left Gatavation of the Maharaja in the dreams of Australia's resting place, grew offer a worship. So boys and this man can history worship was significance happy. He was also a person who prepared Padakas, carrying some duties in the school conducted by the witness and an entry. Sharkman 1034 born of Congress will lead to extra management and trusted devotees of Sarvan Mariner. Complete version of the story. Mr. B with your retirement creativity of Sagaba made encourage about the song my matter of Sarvan Mariner and I go when Mulan about distributions of particles. Sai Lila, volume 2, number and place and returns as one set was once in 1934 Shaka Dakaram the Pura became to study for a Babadasan compound assist member. The companion, the founder, became quite friendly with the son member, actually, what replacing things to do. But there should be some member of Saigo works coming under the holy name to order instruction above particles. Those going to make the most of strength then by compound assistant the matter to be made master. Dr. Amaro will prepare an ice purpose for like the purpose semester and Dr. Puthros informed. He came to study the plan of particles and new shooting his plan. The later made many improvements and role of first floors for dishes. He searched the following software regarding the name tree greatness, Baba, Pose and Craig. The verse as follows. Sada Nangurisya Moolanasas Sudarshavanam Tiktampi Apirantam Tarum Grapatikam Sadatam Namanimishwaram Sadgurum Savamutam. Personal suggestion are accepted and carried out the protocols were in the Bombay study compounder. Baba Singh installed the Purnama on the day Lavani and they carried out on the site from Kama temple. The San Baba touched the protocol saying there is the feet of Lord and asked people installing food at main tree. Day before the Paris, he devotee from Bombay in person sent to 25 rupees money order, which Baba used instead of protocols and the total instead 175 other subscriptions. For the first year, GK Dixit was the podcast study later was done by Lakshman. During the first private talk, I spent 2 rupees per month. I think he also spent trial in the station subsidiary. Roofing was paid by Sawan Mero. Wrestling work with Mohammedan. To return to the other story, Baba, there is a wrestler yesterday named Mohammed Tamboli. Baba, he did not agree with certain issues. Tamboli challenged Baba to fight against Baba later turned to himself, so Baba changed his mode of laying hit down coffee over a long coat coverage. He took the piece of cloth, he took a piece of sat back and found and toned out as always poverty is better than kingship, far better than lordship. The Lord is always brother of poor, Gangro Vishnu, household of Baba, big friend also very fond of wrestling. Once the resurrection the rich passion came over that a proper time the voice of correctness saying they should be where this body. He gave off some servant towards the God relation, established the math banks, never questioned the disciples, however, did not make sense speak with people. He gave answers only was the question. But the was questioning the name to question the a branch about the statement I was between the top one. He used to walk randomly. When there is a frequent loss of language in this stage of our loud Mr. He Sankirtan to married second wife. Then the reduction after sometimes Baba Grace, where the son from the Baba went two numbers high. His fame began to spread and reach some than over and on a side. Money lived when he began to praise Baba surrendered devoting to industry. Explain the translation. I bow to Lord Sonath, who is my constant strength. The foot of 90 married was the nectar, so it's called the Amrit, the nectar around the healing properties. Other is formerly bitter and pleasant Baba presence based on the constant. Sugar filtering nectar, so for example, now worshipping. Sagrameric offers Naivedya letters evening lamps. By Krishna's original daughter of Maharaja, he had come to study for the installation of particles in September 1934. On way to Fagunde, he wanted to after the installation of particles after King Baba Darshan. Baba permission was a Baba who was a Baba going here in this boy did not go and go to begin study from time to time. At night, he slept in the old traditional masjid. Baba permitted the consistent chewing tobacco, folding the piece of cloth and the sakta. He always kept a thin piece of cloth as he had to twist like a river. Dear and back, this was not washed for he would lost every piece of black cloth. So he wore a cupping for wandering. He always wanted a silent of Dhoni. His left hand wrestling wood England. His Dhoni offered a blessing desires and of the heroes of Allah Malik. The master in which he started the Goddess composition after 19 change old master repair and brown construction Baba. I think he learned a long time place for case so Baba dance alternately from off Dun Love. Turning water into oil, Saba was very fond of like he used to borrow oil from Saba, keep us the earth rich, so cancer. All investment in he went to for some time, but was applied the grace met together decided not to give on social Baba and for oil and under Baba returned was he kept the dry conditions. But curiously, Baba took a content, furious of poor and drank it. After Vincent thought he took other road from the rainfall to the distance. And then it wakes in the surprise the watching banners, the big set tradition began to burn, kept on the whole night. The banners apologized Baba for getting to be more truthful in future. The pseudo guru Jahar Ali. After pages of wrestling mention about the Fakir Amarnath, the Jahar Ali contour authentic place in the Bakil near the Fakir was learned poetry, repeat the whole Quran history, to time of many religious duties and legendary respective things that for the people started to build in the Eval before more than praise and the Gandhi temple. There was a portal board is sacred. Arkan was totally Ratha. He came to study and this lived in the master of the Baba. People were captured by the spirit of the spiritual Baba and began to call on the separate Baba and not of their constant child. Then both Guru deserted rather than live there. The Guru never learned to disapprove, but disapprove Guru. Still, he never disturbed them, so calculated he saw the master whereas they used to come to studio occasionally, but their mind, but other loving daughters would not agree over Rukna, so they went to the British and when they met Baba and they told his purpose, and Baba said the Fakir was an independent fellow, could not leave him today, but should do without him. Fakir returned while the was working. Fakir turned up very angry and Tom trying to disapprove after discussions with the finally. Guru and Children of days was already returned to studying, but a few days ago, Guru was returned to the compounding. To Lake Baba settled paradise as came to study and live in market time. He was discovering Canada journey many persons and namely Tata Study got in Guru. They got Javara into they got a discussion of Jara shake them from study. He left and said, I got return money as well as study. The person Sai Baba, the relation of the Sai Baba, Sheila cleared away here when Sai Baba returned the response case of Sai Baba for the actual content. Spirit of egos and duty face self-realization in the story of Fokodan and Muhammad creativity of Baba. Next role is Ramna goes to another former condition of later improvement, etc. Go to stage like HTB or wrestling, raiding the wrestling incident. There was a wrestler Shri Muhammad Tamboli, Papa did not agree on certain issues, so Tamboli changed Papa to fight and Baba to therefore Baba changed.